Hello and welcome to our video on the best small kitchen appliances that can help make cooking easier and more enjoyable. In today's fast-paced world, having the right tools in the kitchen can save time and make meal prep a breeze. First on our list is the food processor. This versatile appliance can chop, shred, and slice ingredients in no time, making it perfect for meal prep or creating your favorite dips and spreads. With various attachments, you can also use a food processor to make dough, grind nuts, or even create homemade nut butter. We recommend the Cuisinart 𝗡𝗢𝗄𝗏𝗡𝗡 food processor for its powerful motor and large capacity. Next up is the immersion blender. Also known as a hand blender, this tool is perfect for blending soups and sauces directly in the pot or container, eliminating the need for transferring hot liquids back and forth. It's also great for making smoothies, pairing baby food, or wiping up homemade mayos or salad dressing. We recommend the Breville BSB510XL Control Grip Immersion Blender for its ergonomic design and powerful motor. Another must-have appliance for any kitchen is the stand mixer. Whether you are a serious baker or just enjoy making homemade bread, a stand mixer can make the job much easier. With a range of attachments including a dough hook, whisk, and paddle, you can mix, knead, and wipe ingredients effortlessly. We recommend the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5QT stand mixer for its stylish design, durability, and range of colors to choose from. For those who enjoy healthy eating, a high-speed blender is a great investment. With its powerful motor, you can create silky smooth smoothies, purees, and nut milks in seconds. You can also use it to make frozen dessert, hot soups, or even grind coffee beans. We recommend the Vitamix A3500 Ascent series blender for its versatile functions and sleek design. If you are a coffee lover, then a quality coffee maker is a must-have in your kitchen. Whether you prefer drip coffee, espresso, or cappuccinos, there are various options to choose from. For a classic drip coffee maker, we recommend the Bonavita BV1900TS 8-cup coffee maker for its consistent brewing temperature and easy-to-use design. If you prefer espresso, the Breville BES870XL Barista Express espresso machine is a great choice for its built-in grinder and customizable settings. Last but not least, a toaster oven is a great appliance for those who don't want to heat up a full-size oven or for those who live in smaller spaces. With a toaster oven, you can bake, roast, and even broil small portions of food quickly and efficiently. We recommend the Breville BOV450XL Mini Smart Oven for its compact size and various cooking functions. Overall, having the right small kitchen appliances can make cooking and meal prep much easier and enjoyable. For food processor to high-speed blenders and coffee makers, there are various options to choose from depending on your needs and preferences. So invest in a few quality appliances and start cooking up a storm. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for other kitchen appliances, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.